Saw Palmetto benefits. 1. Treatment for benign prostatic hypertrophy, BPH. Benign prostatic hyperplasia is the most prevalent type of enlarged prostate. In adults, the prostate typically maintains its size or expands gradually as long as male hormones are present. Men start to experience BPH symptoms and lower urinary tract problems when their prostate enlarges. As men age, the prostate gland may swell or become irritated. The urethra is then compressed by the prostate, causing difficulty urinating and the development of bladder infections or bladder stones. Numerous factors, including as hormonal changes, such as an excess of estrogen, aging blood vessels, and a zinc deficiency, might contribute to BPH. By the age of 60, more than 50% of men will have BPH, and by the age of 85, 90% of men will have this condition, according to the American Urological Association. Additionally, 1/4 of these men may experience moderate to severe symptoms of the lower urinary tract, which will significantly reduce their quality of life. According to research, Saw Palmetto prevents testosterone from attaching to and activating prostate cells, which lessens prostatic cell proliferation and growth. Alpha blockers and 5-alpha reductase inhibitors, two other BPH treatments, can result in sexual dysfunctions, while Saw Palmetto is a natural supplement with few side effects. This makes it one of the greatest sources for naturally raising testosterone levels and enhancing prostate health. A 2012 study from Switzerland examined 82 patients over the course of an 8-week trial. Each day, the patients took one 320 mg capsule of Saw Palmetto extract. The International Prostate Symptom Score decreased from 14.44.7 to 6.95.2 at the conclusion of the therapy. The medication was extremely well tolerated and accepted by the patients, and assessments by researchers and patients supported the good efficacy. 2. Decreases prostate cancer risk. Saw Palmetto supplements were one of the 5 most often utilized complementary and alternative therapies by men with prostate cancer, according to a comprehensive literature assessment of 11 research. As 5-alpha reductase inhibitors, Serenoa-Rapon supplements slowed down the conversion of testosterone to DHT by inhibiting the enzyme and preventing its production. Research suggests that DHT is the cause of prostate enlargement, which may contribute to prostate cancer. Studies on 2,5-alpha reductase inhibitor medications, finasteride, Proscar, and dutasteride, Avodart, found that men taking either medication were less likely to develop prostate cancer after several years than men receiving an inactive placebo. The science surrounding this issue is still unclear. The issue with these medications is that they might have negative side effects, including impotence and decreased sex desire. Saw Palmetto, on the other hand, can also block DHT and aid with BPH-related urinary issues like difficulty peeing and urine leakage. It also controls testosterone levels, boosts libido, and acts as a natural impotence treatment. Additionally, studies have shown that Saw Palmetto slows the development of prostate cancer cells and may even kill potentially harmful ones. Prostate cancer NCAP, DU-145, and PC3 cells development was arrested by Saw Palmetto in a study done at the Department of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology at the Peking University Health Science Center in Beijing. Additionally, DHT, the hormone that causes prostate enlargement, was downregulated. The study that has been conducted to gauge Saw Palmetto's impact on post-surgery healing time is another fascinating observation regarding the herb. Research indicates that consuming 320 mg of Saw Palmetto daily for 2 months before prostate surgery can shorten the amount of time spent in surgery. Prostate surgery, also known as transurethral resection of the prostate or TURP, can have a prolonged recovery period. Additionally, it reduces blood loss, the emergence of complications during surgery, and the overall length of stay in the hospital. 3. Helps with hair loss. Because Saw Palmetto extracts and supplements maintain normal testosterone levels, they are effective for treating hair loss. The hormone known as 5-dihydrotestosterone, DHT, rises and the hormone known as testosterone declines as men age. The male androgen hormone DHT, which causes follicles to shrink, shorten their lifespans, and reduce hair production, is the cause of hair loss because it sensitively affects hair follicles. Normally, the same follicle from which a hair falls out produces another hair, but when DHT levels are high, hair growth is reduced. The ability of Saw Palmetto to prevent the conversion of testosterone into DHT makes it advantageous for hair development. Although there are conflicting views on Saw Palmetto's ability to promote hair growth, particularly when it comes to its use by women, studies support its beneficial use. 34 men and 28 women, ages 18 to 48, were evaluated in one trial at the Clinical Research and Development Network in Colorado who topically applied saw palmetto extract in lotion and shampoo base for 3 months. According to the findings, 35% of the subjects had increased hair density. This shows that both men and women may benefit from using saw palmetto as a natural remedy for hair loss. The overall hair quality, total hair count, and hair density of alopecia patients improved when Serenoa rapon extract was used, according to an evaluation of the research done in 2020 and discovered in the Cochrane database, PubMed, and Google Scholar. Additionally, reports indicate that saw palmetto was well tolerated and not linked to any severe side effects. 4. Retains testosterone levels. The body maintains normal levels of testosterone because saw palmetto prevents the conversion of testosterone into DHT. This helps with sex drive, pain response, strength control, weight loss, and hair loss. Males' low testosterone levels are increasing quickly today, which causes persistent weariness, a reduction in libido, and a lower sense of well-being. An analysis of a 52-year-old man who was having erectile dysfunction, poor libido, and lethargy was published in a case study in the American Journal of Medicine. He was otherwise healthy and did not use any drugs. According to the study, elevating his testosterone levels significantly enhanced his metabolic status. He already felt more energized and his sexual performance had improved after 3 months. 5. Aids the urological system. For men with benign prostatic hyperplasia, saw palmetto has positive effects on the urological system. This happens as a result of a contact with receptors in the lower urinary tract, which can induce overactive bladder and urinary dysfunction. Because Serenoa rapon strengthens the urinary organs and has been suggested as a natural treatment for kidney stones, it is also indicated to treat weakened urinary organs in older persons or women after menopause. In a 1998 review, the Journal of the American Medical Association concluded that saw palmetto is useful for enhancing urological symptoms and urine flow. 18 randomized trials with nearly 3,000 male participants were examined for the evaluation. Total, among the males using saw palmetto, 28% reported less urinary tract symptoms, 24% reported improved peak urine flow, and 43% reported improved overall urine flow. Results were far more encouraging than those of the men taking a placebo and were comparable to the group using the prescription drug Proscar. In a different randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled study, 85 males were randomly assigned to receive either saw palmetto or a placebo for 6 months. This study was conducted at the University of Chicago Pritzker School of Medicine. In comparison to placebo, the results show that using saw palmetto significantly improves urinary symptoms in males who have symptoms of the lower urinary tract. This study demonstrates that saw palmetto is a potent natural treatment for UTI.